Hello everyone, this is a quick tips. Today in this video I will show you how to make an end cap in Weldments feature. We will make end cap in this frame. First, go to this frame. In Weldments feature, active end cap. Click this face, click all face to need end cap. After that, choose thickness direction what we need. We choose this one. Make thickness ratio parameter 0.1 mm. Okay. Maybe better 0.5 mm. Check corner treatment. You can choose chamfer or fillet, and you can change the parameter. Okay. See? Back to end cap feature. Change thickness parameter 0.25 mm. Sorry, not this. Go back to the feature. Change to 0.25 mm. Maybe 0.1 mm. Okay. See? Now you can design an end cap in Solidworks. Exit this part and go to the assembly again. See? That is a quick tips. See ya!